Physiology trends, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Each data point comes from your wearable's daily readings. The y-axis of each chart is calculated dynamically. PIRX finds the minimum and maximum values in your data, adds 15% padding on each side, and uses that as the range. Line charts showing your resting heart rate, HRV, sleep score, weight, and body fat over time. Each chart automatically adjusts its scale to fit your data, so no data gets cut off. The backend queries the physiology table for the last 30 days. Each row was originally created by normalized sleep entry, normalized body entry, or normalized daily entry from Terra webhooks. Strava tells you what you did, Garmin shows your data, PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.